what's up everyone? It's Bernardo here, and we have again our new video, and it's a very nice video. I'm very excited about it because Juventus just sent us a very nice gift, a box, and to share with you guys. So let's get started. But first, I want to thank you, all of you who are watching our video. And if you are new here, didn't subscribe yet, just click the subscription below, ring the bell, and then don't forget to put your likes every video. Write down your comments, what can you say about the video, and let's start the video. So as I said, we're going to have a very nice video. We're going to have the unboxing. So this is the very first time. I don't know what is inside this, and our friend Juventus just give this, and I can't wait to see it. So let's start it. You see? Thank you, Juventus. Wow. The video just here, and like this one. So this actually it's like a wake kit, and underwear. Wow. Oh my goodness. Here's the first. Have you seen it? Wow. Oh my. So thank you, Juventus. See that? The next one we have here another the video. If you see the video where Cristiano Ronaldo is training. Wow. You see that? I like it. You like it? If you want to say something, you have to comment down below. Just write down below what can you say about the new Juventus kit, the new jersey. Just write down below. Wow, thank you Juventus. Take close of that. You have Adidas G4. So this is the training for the season 2021-22. Here's the white one, the black one, and the silver one. Wow. So you guys, I'm gonna ask you what would you prefer about the training kit? You want this one or the white one? So just write down, comment down below what can you say one, if you prefer the white or the black one. And the last one, obviously, last surprise of the you got the Ronaldo white man. So guys, if you are planning to buy on Juventus.com, actually this is the size large, size L. Here, if you wanna see it, this is size L. Italian. Just to remember. And wow, actually jersey that Cristiano Ronaldo is using for the Serie A season 2021-2022. Seen it closer, wait. So we have the Juventus the 3 stelle, where we have the logo Adidas here, you see, and the sponsor J, and that's it. Here, you see there, Serie A team 2021-2022 here. Wow, thank you. Wow, wait to use it. I can't wait to share to you guys. Amazing kit. I mean, the texture is really nice. Here. Oh my god. That's it. And for our next video, I'm gonna put them all, you know, dress it up with this jersey. Wow. So let's get, the one thing that I want to share is the black and white. Wait, I have it. Tron. So I have the black and white, and of course I have the away jersey. And as I said, what can you say about this? Just write down below if you prefer this one. What can you say about the 2021-2022 jersey here? And of course, always our king, Ronaldo. Or if you prefer this, the away kit. And as for me, I want the two of them. I mean, the 4 kit that you've seen, I want all of them, obviously, to dress this one using them. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy our video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to put your likes. Comment down below. As I said, what can you say about the 4 kit that I've seen? What's your favorite one? What you didn't like? Let me know. Just write down below. And Forza Juve! Ciao!